Billet Specialties steering wheels take your interior to the next level for that magazine cover car look. All Billet Specialties steering wheels feature the ultimate in custom flexibility by allowing you to select your components separately. With over 40 styles of steering wheels, 10 half-wrap colors, and 12 horn button styles, a truly personalized look is easy. These rings are available in top grain leather, simulated carbon fiber, and burl wood. Followed by selecting your horn button style and size. The Pro Style series feature a smooth or elegant look or a more aggressive riveted look. Everything assembles in minutes. The Original Collection offers our signature mirror-like polish in 14 and 15.5 inch diameters. Styling ranges from classic to aggressive in this collection. The Profile Collection features three-dimensional CNC machine styles that reach over the leather ring and carry the spoke past the point where typical steering wheels are limited to. There's no mistaking the Select Edition in the starring role as the focal point of the finest interiors. Segmented rings allow the spokes to run through the outer ring, and styles with rivets are packaged with both polished and black rivets, giving you further creative control. The Flat Out series is the ultimate roadster column steering wheel. They feature 3-bolt direct-to-column mounting, a traditional center cap, and our signature mirror finish polishing. For a modern performance look, Billet Specialties offers their D-shaped steering wheels, featuring modular race-inspired designs for the ultimate aggressive look. Best of all, Billet Specialty steering wheels are made right here in the USA.